Y'all know that big game is coming up soon, so you know you're gonna need some wing recipes. Don't worry, Unc's got you covered. Here are my top 3 wing recipes. This recipe's so easy, y'all. All you need is some oil and this seasoning right here. My Uncle Dibbz Atlanta Lemon Pepper Hot. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Season up your chicken, throw it in the oil, get it to 165 internal temp, pull it and set it to the side. I'm from the ATL and we do our lemon pepper wings wet. For the wet sauce, melt 2 sticks of butter, some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper hot seasoning, little parsley, some fresh lemon juice. Toss your wings in it, get them nice and wet. You know how I do, 10-piece, half drums, half flats, and a side of ranch.
That's good, shorty.
Ain't nothing like fried chicken, shawty, but this is a great alternative. After you coat your wings in canola oil, hit it with that Dirty Bird rub. 14 all-natural herbs and spices in 1 bottle. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Next, mix 1 cup of flour with a half a cup of baking powder. Some more of that Dirty Bird rub. Give it a mix. Now you're going to take those wings, coat them in that flour mixture. Make sure you shake off any excess and then set it on a baking rack. Spray those wings down with canola oil, bake in the oven at 390 for 30 minutes, give them a flip, then bake for 15 minutes at 430.
That's good, shorty.
Pat dry your chicken wings, coat your wings with 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then add this, the Dirty Bird rub. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Go ahead and massage all of that baking powder and seasoning into the chicken wings. We're going to bake these wings at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Every 20 minutes, flip your wings so they're nice and done on each side. Now, we can't have any buffalo wings without any sauce. So go ahead and throw your cooked wings in your favorite buffalo wing sauce. Give them a nice toss. Now, if you want your wings extra crispy, this is the time to throw them back in the oven on broil for about 5 minutes. But I like mine just like this with a little bit of ranch.
That's good, shorty.